Have you ever wondered why your Apple TV has not seen a hardware update in such a long time? At first glance, it might seem like Apple simply shifted its focus elsewhere, pouring all its energy into iPhones, Macs, and wearables while quietly leaving the Apple TV behind. But that assumption could not be further from the truth. What is actually happening behind the scenes is far more strategic and far more exciting. Apple is not neglecting the Apple TV. It is carefully holding it back, waiting for the perfect moment to unleash something that could completely redefine your living room experience. Right now, a powerful software update is already laying the groundwork, subtly changing how you interact with your current device, but it is only a glimpse of a much bigger transformation that is coming. The arrival of 26.4 marks a significant turning point for the current Apple TV hardware. On the surface, it may look like a routine update, but once you dive deeper, it becomes clear that Apple is refining the entire experience in meaningful ways. One of the most noticeable changes is the complete removal of the old iTunes movies and iTunes TV shows apps. For years, these apps felt outdated, like relics from an earlier era of digital media. Apple had long been nudging users toward the unified Apple TV app, and now that transition is finally complete. Everything you want to watch, rent, or purchase is consolidated into a single, streamlined interface. This not only cleans up the home screen visually, but also makes the entire system far more intuitive, especially for new users who might have found the old layout confusing. Beyond the visual cleanup, the audio improvements in this update are nothing short of transformative, particularly for home theater enthusiasts. If you have ever used a premium sound system with your Apple TV, you may have experienced frustrating issues like audio dropouts, sudden popping noises, or inconsistent volume levels. These problems were especially common when watching content with advanced audio formats like Dolby Atmos. The root of the issue was the way the Apple TV handled audio switching in the background, constantly adjusting formats and causing disruptions. With tvOS 26.4, Apple introduces a feature called Continuous Audio Connection, which leverages Dolby Matte technology to maintain a steady audio stream at all times. This means no more interruptions, no more glitches, and a much smoother, more immersive listening experience. It is the kind of improvement that you might not notice immediately, but once you experience it, you cannot go back. Apple has also taken the opportunity to fix long-standing bugs that have annoyed users for years. One of the most notable fixes is in the Apple Music app, where spatial audio users often encountered an issue where the first second of a song would be cut off. It may sound like a small problem, but for those who care about high-quality audio, it was incredibly frustrating. With this update, that issue is finally resolved, allowing songs to play exactly as intended from the very first beat. It is a reminder that sometimes the most impactful updates are not about flashy new features, but about refining the experience and eliminating long-standing frustrations. Among the new features, one of the most intriguing is something called Genius Browse. This feature brings back the spirit of the old iTunes Genius system, which many users fondly remember for its ability to create smart, personalized playlists. In its modern form, Genius Browse takes content discovery to a whole new level. Instead of presenting you with generic recommendations, it organizes movies and shows into creative, highly specific categories. You might come across collections like Clever Capers or Perfect Date Night, each filled with carefully curated content. What makes it truly powerful is its interactivity. You can refine these recommendations in real time, swiping through options and triggering new suggestions based on your preferences. It feels less like using a machine and more like having a knowledgeable friend guiding you toward something you will genuinely enjoy. There are also smaller, hidden features that enhance the overall usability of the system. For example, the new Browse Continue Watching option provides a comprehensive overview of everything you are currently watching across different apps. With a simple press of the remote, you can access a full-screen grid that displays all your ongoing content in one place. It is a simple addition, but it makes managing your viewing habits much more convenient and organized. While these software improvements are impressive, they are ultimately just the beginning. The real story lies in the hardware that Apple has yet to release. The current Apple TV has gone longer without an update than any previous model, and that is not by accident. According to multiple reports, Apple already has new hardware ready to go. The reason for the delay comes down to one key factor: Apple Intelligence. Apple is waiting until its next-generation AI system is fully developed and polished before launching the new device. This suggests that the upcoming Apple TV will not just be an incremental upgrade, but a complete reimagining of what the device can do. The next Apple TV, expected to arrive in 2026, is rumored to feature a massive leap in processing power, potentially using the same A18 or A18 Pro chip found in flagship iPhones. This level of performance might seem excessive for a streaming box, but it makes perfect sense when you consider Apple's broader vision. The goal is to enable advanced on-device processing, allowing Siri to handle complex queries without relying on the cloud. Imagine being able to ask your TV to find a specific scene based on a vague description, or to recommend content based on highly personalized criteria. This kind of intelligent interaction requires significant computational power, and that is exactly what Apple is preparing to deliver. In addition to smarter content discovery, the new Apple TV is expected to play a much larger role in the smart home ecosystem. Rather than acting as a passive hub, it will become an active controller, capable of managing devices and responding to real-time events. For instance, when someone rings your doorbell, a notification could instantly appear on your TV, complete with a live video feed. You could ask Siri complex questions about your home environment and receive immediate, context-aware responses. This transforms the Apple TV from a simple entertainment device into the central brain of your home. Perhaps the most surprising aspect of the upcoming hardware is its potential to disrupt the gaming industry. With the power of an A18 class chip and increased memory, the Apple TV could become a legitimate gaming platform capable of running high-end titles. Apple has already demonstrated its commitment to gaming by bringing AAA experiences to its devices, and the next Apple TV could take that effort to the next level. By combining powerful hardware with the convenience of a streaming box, Apple is positioning itself as a serious competitor to traditional gaming consoles. For many users, the idea of having a single device that handles streaming, smart home control, and high-quality gaming is incredibly appealing. As all these pieces come together, it becomes clear that Apple's strategy is not about catching up, but about redefining the category entirely. The current software updates are quietly preparing users for a future where the Apple TV is no longer just an accessory, but a central part of the home. When the new hardware finally arrives, it will not just be an upgrade. It will be a transformation that changes how we think about entertainment, technology, and the role of the living room in our daily lives.